So TwitchCon this year was in Rotterdam. So me, my girlfriend Bianca, our friends Max, Reese, Dan, Len and Abby decided to use it as an excuse to go on a trip to the Netherlands. We stayed in and explored Amsterdam for most of the trip and then travelled into Rotterdam for the con. And boy, did we get up to a lot, as you will soon see in this action-packed vlog series. In the last episode, we visited the Lego store and looked around some of Amsterdam's weirdest museums, and in this action-packed final episode, we visit the Tony's Chocolonely factory, make our own bars, go on a bike ride through the park, explore a hidden food hall, and take a nighttime canal cruise. And just like that, guys, it is our last full day in the Netherlands. We've still got some stuff to do today then, so don't worry. We're going to Tony's Chocolonely kind of headquarters. I don't know what to call it. It's like a superstore. You kind of go in, the Dutch chocolate, Tony's Chocolonely. You've probably seen the bars before. Very nice chocolate. We're going to go there. You can customise your own Tony's bar. And if anybody knows me, I'm a big chocolate lover, so that'll be fun. And then it takes 2 hours to be made. So whilst the 2 hours is ticking away, we're going to go and look at Vondel Park and have a walk around it, which is Amsterdam's biggest green space park. So that'll be really fun. Some nice nature, some lovely birds, some water, and that'll be fun. Then later on, to end the night off, we're gonna have a nice relaxing evening boat ride, a little evening cruise that we've booked. It's an hour longish, takes us around whilst the sun's setting. We'll see the rest of Amsterdam, but as always, if anything interesting happens, I'll make sure to include it on the vlog. It's been a very action-packed trip so far. It's not done yet, but it's good. I feel like we've literally tackled Amsterdam and we've done everything that we possibly could have. We've had lots of fun. We've had some great food, great trips. Very fulfilled. I feel like I can go 10 years now without coming back here. I feel like I've done it, but it's good. Very good, very good. Guys, look at this. That little door there. Very inconspicuous. You would never know if it wasn't for this gold sign. Tony's Chocolonely Superstore. Ooh, free chocolate. I'm okay. I'll leave it because I've just had 2 chocolate muffins. These guys, they've got the machines that add all the ingredients. It's literally like a real Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Choose the ingredients. It's like popping candy, caramel, biscuit, all of these. You know, I like normal chocolate, guys. I just like plain chocolate. I'm a bit boring, but I'll try and work some of these in. You've definitely got to go with the milk chocolate. Not very healthy, but guys, they're putting skibbity toilet on their chocolate bar. Right, let's give it a go, guys. Start over. Here we go. Choose your chocolate, pick your ingredients, and then design the wrapper. Okay, let's start. I'm just going to do milk, alright? I don't really want dark chocolate or milk, or white, sorry. Choose our ingredients. Okay, let's do, what about almond? What if I did almond and hazelnut? We'll do almond and biscuit, alright? Okay, almond and biscuit. Like a hobnob, I guess. Okay, here we go. Background colour. Ooh, ribbon colour. Okay, well I've got to do, should we do a Joeseppi one? Do a light blue. We'll do the Tony's yellow. Oh, the ribbon colour. We'll do pink. Oh, look at that. Very Joe. Or white. Look how cool the white looks. Okay, guys, just for the vlog, I'm dedicated. I'll do this. Okay, type your name here. We'll do Amsterdam. Do Amsterdam 2025. Joeseppi. There we go. I'm just looking for an emoji there. No, I can't. Okay. Amsterdam 2025. Joeseppi. There we go. Oh, you can change the colour. Oh yeah, we've got to do it yellow. Got to do it yellow. And then ready. There we go. So we've got milk chocolate, almond and biscuit, with like a Joeseppi theme. Order now. €10. Not bad. Not bad for a custom bar. Little keepsake. Yay pay. Okay guys, so that's that. I think around 2 p.m. ish is when it's ready, so we'll see the verdict. Whether I eat at 2 a.m, 2 p.m, I don't know, but I'll definitely record when I do eat it, and we'll see what the verdict was of almond and biscuit milk chocolate with a cool Joeseppi wrapper. Look at all this rainbow here. Let's go look at the little gift shop, shall we? Oh guys, there's exclusive bars just to this shop. One half for $4.99. Wow, lots of chocky. What did you get, Len?
We got pretzel, spice biscuit, and cinnamon sugar.
But there's 3 ingredients?
Yeah.
Oh, I only added 2. Oh, shit. I only added almond and biscuit to mine.
You're a bit stupid. Can I add a nugget?
Nougat, mate.
Nougat?
Yeah.
You're a nougat. You're a nuisance.
Oh, said the N-word. Biscuit, almond. What about you?
I got milk chocolate and white chocolate, and I got almond caramel and sea salt.
Oh, everyone seems to have done sea salt.
And I put Willy Wonka on the wrap.
Really?
And Charlie.
The viewers won't get what that means, but it's a cool little shop. Guys, honestly, I know a lot of people, or a lot of you guys might be thinking it's €10 for a single chocolate bar. I think to come and experience the shop in Amsterdam and then make your own bar and customise everything, I think €10 is not bad. It's not bad to write your name on it and design the colours and make your own bar and have 3 ingredients, even though I added 2. I think it's pretty cool. And you get to learn some history and stuff like that. It's not bad. However, it's going to stay that way because our chocolate tells an important. Vondel Park, guys, very lovely scenery. Cycling. We're going to see if we can rent a bike. Pretty much what you'd expect from a park, but it is very nice, very green, very scenic, lots of water. We're going to try and get some birds for the bird app. Nice statues over there, look. Very nice, very serene. Mallard, there's a mallard. Guys, we've rented bikes for 2 hours. Everyone's on a bike. Squad. We're riding through Vondel Park, very scenic. Look at these look at this. Look at these houses here. I was going to try and vlog whilst I was riding, but I thought I would rather survive. I don't want to die in the Netherlands, never mind die full stop. So yeah, we're going on a little bike ride. Vondel Park, very chill, lots of wildlife, lots of birds, lots of rivers and cool houses. Very chill day. And the Tony's Chocolonely, we've been informed, it is ready. But they're open till 7 o'clock, so we'll go and collect that later in the day. But yeah, riding around Vondel Park, lovely day. Hay fever's going crazy. Awesome. Guys, look at the parakeets in the trees, poking his head out, look there, poking his head out, and his little friends there, or his wife.
That's freaking awesome.
Oh, guys, there's just one guy training 1,000,000 dogs. What cuties.
Yes.
What a tune. My man them two are considerate. Do you think the dogs like Central C? Right guys, we're back. Sorry, I am riddled with hay fever after the park, but we're back at the Tony's Chocolonely place. We're going to pick up our bars. My almond and biscuit bar. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but we'll see. I'm not going to eat it right now because we're going to head to a food court. I'm going to get some scran, and then I'm going to have the Tony's bar for dessert. But let's pick it up. Here we go, guys. We've got the Tony's unlimited customized bar. The biscuit and almond. We've got the Joeseppi blue. We've got the yellow and the pink, and then on the side it says Amsterdam 2025 and Joeseppi. But we're going to go to the food hall first. We're going to have our meal and then we'll eat this afterwards, and I'll give you an official review. Tony's Chocolonely. Guys, you know what? We came back to the hotel to freshen up before dinner and I couldn't resist. Let me show you, right? We have the Amsterdam 2025 and then on the other side, Joeseppi. You know what? I say we crack it open and we try a little bit. Oh, guys, look. Oh. Okay. Right, let's crack a bit off, okay? Almond and biscuit, all right? Here we go.
Good.
That is lovely. Just plain enough for me to enjoy it, but a bit of a crunch, bit of a nut. Oh, Tony's, you've done it good. I don't know what the hell happened here. Oh, it probably just melted, didn't it? It probably just melted whilst I was walking. But guys, wow. Absolutely delicious. Look at this food hall place that Reese found. It is insane. Oh, mate. Oh, spaghetti. Right, guys, what a way to do the last day. I need to suss out here what I want to eat, and then craving some pasta, I think. I'll let you know when I find somewhere. Meatball rollers. Hi, can I have a spaghetti, please? So I've got the pasta place here, spaghetti, and then I've spun around and there's a bar, and I've got a 0 alcohol mojito because I'm on a no booze streak at the minute. So it's looking like a good meal. Then for dessert, We've got the Tony's bar. Guys, look at this. Spaghetti. And the mojito, by the way, which is unreal, this mojito. Spaghetti, I have no doubt it's going to be nice. It's literally smothered in parmesan. Guys, let's give it a go. Are you kidding? Here we go. Oh, guys, it is good. I mean, I had no doubt it was going to be bad. It was going to be good. I had no doubt it was going to be good. No, what? I had no doubt it wasn't going to be good. So good. Let me try one of the meatballs. Guys, look how tender that is. Unreal. Guys, I caved. I walked up to a pizza place and I said, excuse me, mate, do you do one slice of pizza or a few? And he was like, no. I was like, okay, fine. I'll have a full one, if you insist. So I've just had the bowl of spaghetti and then I'm getting pizza. Mate, it's Italian food. It's the way to my heart. It's what I've grown up on. So I'm waiting for this little thing to, I don't know, blow up or something. And then I need to go collect it. I have no doubt this will be a nice pizza. Guys, look at this. They gave me it on a whole wooden platter. Pizza, oh, it's thin crust as well. I'm gonna absolutely demolish this. Oh,
But it doesn't taste like pizza.
can't go wrong. Cheesy, thin, oily, tomatoey. I guess that's a pizza, isn't it? Well, I am royally, officially stuffed. I've had a bowl of spaghetti, a full pizza, and half of the Tony's, the Joeseppi Tony's. Very yummy. The almonds and the biscuit add a nice little crunch. Delicious. I'm stuffed. Next up is the boat cruise, and it'll be a nice, pretty little boat tour to finish off the trip. Oh, some AirPods. Guys, we've set off. We're on the water. The boat we were going to go on got cancelled because of the rain, because it had no roof. So we quickly booked another one. And I got these AirPod Pro Maxes. Got these Beats by Dave. Yeah, go in here.
Is it good?
Oh my god, he's carty.
You could put it up to the mic, they'll be able to hear.
You girls. We've hit it. We've hit the post.
We're dead. It's over. No more vlogs.
Oh my god, I can hear funeral music on the headphones. Oh no, they bend round it, I think. Just like that, it is the final day, or the final morning, should I say. The trip is pretty much over. All we've got to do now is just head to the airport and get on our flight and head home back to England. Obviously, of course, it's sad when you've been on a trip. You get the post-trip blues, but I think everybody is almost ready now. We've been doing like 25k plus steps a day. I've got bags under my eyes. My feet are blistered, but it has been a hell of a trip. Boy, what have we done? We've done the zoo. We've done all the Ripley's Museum, the Amaze Museum, the Von Steeple cookies. Is that what they're called? The zoo. Did I say that already? TwitchCon. That was the main thing we came for. We did Rotterdam. We did multiple food halls, food markets. We went for a chicken. It was we ate everything possible. It feels like we have royally boshed Amsterdam. I am fulfilled on Amsterdam for a while now, and Rotterdam. Well, I guess we didn't see all of Rotterdam, but we saw a good whack of it. We're just in that process at the minute where we're trying to fit everything in the room into our suitcase and bags. My suitcase is literally exploding, and my Lego man that I bought will not fit anywhere, so I've just emptied the box and poured the Lego into my backpack. So in my backpack is literally just Lego, gamer subs, and souvenirs. What more does a man need, honestly? Hopefully none of it gets stopped or taken off me. Maybe the border control will take the Lego because they just want to build the set, I don't know. But yeah, suitcase is literally full to the brim, and then my backpack is full of tat. For the rest of the day, guys, we're just going to head to the airport, get our flight, head home, relax. Hopefully it's not too stressful, and of course the flight's pretty short, so it's like less than an hour. So that's always nice. You don't have to sit on a plane for hours when you're heading home. But yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the vlogs. They've been great fun. There's going to be plenty more in the future. Plenty more second channel videos. There's going to be lots more food stuff as well. As always, check out the Twitch. Join the Discord. We're going to go get on our plane. So, with all of that said, bye for now.